Hi, this is Chelsea from the Natural Products Network. Okay, let's get right to the point. You want to know what parasite cleansing can do for you and why you should take the 21-day Parasite Cleanse challenge. I've spent about 2 decades studying effective parasite cleansing for a reason. It works better than any other wellness cleanse that I've tried, and this comes from many, many years of research. Here are the top 3 reasons you should do the 21-day Parasite Cleanse challenge. Here's reason 1. Get powerful new wellness results, maybe even additional results over and beyond what you were expecting. I found parasite cleansing to have so many benefits, including fighting stubborn weight, beautifying skin and hair, improving mood, and so much more. This is what led me to parasite cleansing many years ago. I wanted to find something natural and easy to do that gets results. With a 21-day Parasite Cleanse challenge, you get the exact blueprint I use to get rid of parasites. Reason 2, this is the only holistic parasite cleansing method you'll find. Yes, there are a lot of expensive parasite fighting supplements, but I disagree that this is the best way to fight parasites. Keep in mind that parasites build in the body over time. Thus, I found that the best approach to fighting parasites uses various natural methods in a specific sequence over 21 days to achieve results. Also, most importantly, this multi-dimensional cleansing approach is gentle, effective, and something that fits within your busy life. Reason 3, discover secret cleansing hacks you won't find elsewhere. I love to utilize cleansing hacks that I've learned throughout my life. These are the secret cleansing tools that can help you turn up the results to get the most out of your parasite cleanse. I've done the research so you don't have to. I have tried so many methods and studied the science to feel confident about the best cleansing approach. Why not check out the 21-day Parasite Cleanse Challenge to see what it can do for you? Thanks for making me and the Natural Products Network part of your wellness journey.